The innovative, high-performance Series Auto 90 Sectionizer can process up to 90 pieces of fruit per minute. All the controls are intuitive and clearly labeled on the control panel. Matching blade and plunger sets accommodate a variety of fruits and vegetables. The Auto 90 provides easy operation. Cups are fed in front, and processed fruit is dispensed to the rear. Front and back integrated bump stops, and built-in safety switch on side access panel. And the unit can be stopped via the control panel. Process up to 54 cartons of oranges per hour. The Auto 90 is easy to clean and maintain. The conveyor can be removed, and the stainless steel interior can be cleansed with water or steam. The blade cups and plungers go in the dishwasher for ultimate sanitization. And the Auto 90 comes with a 1-year warranty. For more information, visit our website or contact us for a quote.